Hello YouTube, this is Brian on the BS, gotta remember the name of the channel, it probably helps. The BS Adventure channel, Budget Box Van Build Part 3. Oh, that hurts my brain. Anyways, we're gonna get started on a new adventure. We're gonna figure out what that ad is for. I left you guys hanging a little bit there. So let's go find out right now, guys. I think it's going to be fun. Okay, today is tomorrow, so next morning, got the van kind of, just basically clean. It's not detailed or anything, but just get the main grime off. I saw an ad on Marketplace for a barn. The guy wants the stuff out of there and said, come get it for free. So I'm taking some demo tools and I'm gonna go see what I can get, because like I said, budget build, see what I can score for free, a little bit of gas money. It's about an hour away. Some corrugated tin and some old lumber, see if there's anything good. So let's head out, let's go. So here we go, these barns are coming down. This is an old property. Just talked to the gentleman that bought it. Super nice guy, wants to do it right. Gonna build some nice family homes for people on this old farm property. Everything's all built up all around it already. It's neighborhoods everywhere, but he's gonna do some real, just nice basic houses for people. Look at this old stuff, man. And yeah, so we're gonna get in here and get some of these materials. I'm excited. Oh, there's an old cowboy, I'm grabbing that. And then back here, looks like the guy had some dogs. He said he bought this from the brother that owned the property, and their family lived here for 75 years. But you gotta check this out. Oh, this is an old irrigation ditch. Oh, that's cool. Bear with me, guys. This is a cool score. You're gonna like this. It's got a whole stash. Old Fords. This old truck. I think that's a 53 or 54 with a flat windshield. Custom bumper. He's giving these away. Look at the coupe. I think these are 56, 50. I think these are 57 Fords. I could be wrong. He's got 3 of them. All two-door post cars. There's a bump side. It's like a later 172 or something. It's got the plastic grill. That's a 6-cylinder car. This is a V8 car. This one's cool. I think it has a Y block. Look, this was some guy's. Look at this was someone's hot rod. Look at the door panels. 60s style wheel. Old school tack. I mean, she's rough. But boy, I wish I had the space to do something with it, but they don't tend to do this out west. But just cool regardless, man. I love this old shit. Neat stuff. Well, I'm gonna go get started tearing into that barn, but I thought someone would appreciate this. I know I like this old stuff. And that truck is pretty sweet. Chassis swap, I don't know, something. Not for me though, not today. So here's the bigger barn of the two. Let's see what we got inside. We got the old plow. yeah, I'm gonna grab some stuff. Must have chickens or something. And there's this stuff up here. Different era, you know? This old door. Just sitting on bricks. Old gas can. There's gas in it. It's pretty rotten though. That's the thing out here. I'm in the south, and it's not like out west in the desert. Things rust. What's up here? I can't see up there. I'll get my ladder and I'll get up there. Yeah, look at that. Isn't that cool? So I got some stuff from the top, stuff from the side. I found this fencing in the back. There's more. I think that might be cedar, so I'm able to use that. There's this pile of tin here. And then I do have some stuff already loaded in the van, a few things. And then this is that's all oak right there. So yeah, I'm gonna keep going. I got this big old beam out. It was holding up the floor back there. And I just cut it out with a hammer and a pry bar. A sawzall would have been nice, but I didn't bring one of those, so make it work. Place where I got all the supplies. Thanks house, thanks barn. That's the last piece like that around here, and then everything else is looks like this nowadays. So that's a throwback. People need places to live, I get it. It's sad to see those old farmsteads go though. Gonna unload this stuff that I picked up from the barn yesterday. Kind of unload it back here, you know, a little bit out of sight so it doesn't bother the neighbors and stuff, and then go through and figure out what I'm gonna use and keep, and then get the rest kind of organized, and I'm gonna, you know, pass it on or sell it. Oh look, there's a little lizard. Hey buddy. That's cool. I'm gonna have a yard sale. There's a bunch of junk in that Connex from my dad. He's got a bunch of old junk he wants to get rid of. Well, I say junk, it's like tools and actually some pretty good stuff. But so we're gonna have a yard sale here pretty soon. I'm gonna help him with that, and then unload this stuff here. So that's the plan. So I did forget to tell you guys, I cleaned this thing out today, cleaned all the stuff out, gave her just a quick little sweep, and I have the stuff kind of stacked over here. These are some of the pieces I want to utilize, and so I'll kind of go through that. That's the pile of wood, and these are the ones I'm gonna get rid of, minus that beam. I want to do something with that beam. And then the doors. I have an idea for that door that has to do with the shower, but you'll have to stay tuned for that. That's a ways away. Okay guys, so that's it for today for part 3 of the budget box van build on my channel here, BS Adventures. Boy, it's tough to remember all those fancy words put together in a sentence. so yeah, I picked up some stuff from that barn. That was a real fun adventure. Those old cars, that was a cool treat for me. I like that kind of stuff, tromping around in the woods and finding neat stuff like that. Yeah, stay tuned. We're going to do some stuff with those materials. It's going to be a while before I get to that part of the van. We're still in the cleaning phase and kind of the disassembly phase and the repair phase of the van. And that's pretty involved. We'll be doing that for a while. And then I'm documenting that as well, and as that plugs along and gets tidied up, then we can start digging into the actual build out phase. So stay tuned, guys. If this is content you like, subscribe, like, write a comment, do all this stuff, the bells and the dingers and the whizzers and whatever, all that other junk, if you want. Hope you guys are having a great day. Hooey ho.